Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Start menu or search bar, search for Control Panel, and open it. Next, click Network and Sharing Center from here. Click on your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, then click Properties. Scroll down and locate Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck the box next to it, then click OK and close. Now, check if the error has been resolved. If the problem still exists, open the Start menu again, search for Proxy Settings, and open it. If Use a Proxy Server is enabled under Manual Proxy Setup, turn it off. Close the settings window and test the website again. If you're still seeing the error, right-click the Wi-Fi or network icon on your taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Then select Network Reset. Click Reset Now, confirm the action, and restart your computer. Windows will reinstall your network adapters and restore the default network settings. After your computer restarts, open Google Chrome and try accessing the website again. In most cases, the "this site can't be reached" error should now be fixed, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix this site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.